During this short video, we'll walk you through step by step how to schedule a mental health or diversity, equality, equity and inclusion survey, or DEEI for short. Now, before scheduling any survey, always make sure your people data has been added to WeThrive and is up to date. If you haven't added your people data yet, take a look at our help centre for more information on how to upload and update your data. But once you're ready to schedule a survey, first, click on Surveys in the main menu. Under the Team Surveys tab, click New Survey. Against the survey type, select either Mental Health or Diversity, Equality, Equity and Inclusion. This ensures that your survey will automatically use the standard WeThrive question set for that survey. And if you want to view the WeThrive questions before scheduling, you can find these in our help files. Please note that some surveys may not be available for certain subscriptions, and if the mental health or DEEI surveys are greyed out, you cannot send these, and you can contact your account administrator or support at wethrive.net if you want to find out more about adding these to your subscription. But next, enter your survey details, including a survey name, for example, Mental Health Survey, June 2022. Enter a start date and a start time for when you'd like the survey to be sent to your employees. That's in UK time, by the way. Next, from the duration drop-down menu, select how long you'd like to keep the survey open for. Either 1, 2 or 3 weeks is standard. You can always extend the survey or close it early if you need to. Underneath, you'll see a tick box which allows you to choose whether to keep the survey results anonymous or not. For these two types of surveys, due to the nature of the topics, these can only be run anonymously, so you will not be able to change this setting. Running the survey anonymously means you'll be able to view the average scores for groups of 4 or more people, but no individual results will be available to you. Next, choose which automated email notifications to include. We have 3 types of email notification, including a warm-up email, which sets out the reasoning behind the survey, auto reminders, which send 3 reminders throughout the survey open period, and a thank you email, which is sent to employees when they complete the survey. If you want to view the email templates used for each of these, click on the link Read More About These. You'll be taken through to a help topic where all email templates for all of our surveys are available to view. For now, select which ones you'd like to include, and you can change these later on if you wish. If you choose to send out a warm-up email, this will go out 24 hours before the survey launch if there is enough time. If you schedule the survey to start in less than 24 hours, it will go out straight away. Most clients send their own version of the warm-up email internally, but you're welcome to include ours if you'd like. We do recommend including the auto reminders, as these are useful in encouraging staff to take part, but you can still trigger reminders manually if you want more control over when these emails go out. Next, click the blue Next Select People button at the bottom to move on to selecting who to include in the survey. Either select all to add everyone to the survey, or you can manually tick each individual you want to send the survey to. You can also use the filters to find and select employees in a particular team or location or department. You might want to do this if you only want to send the survey to one group of staff within your organisation. Now, click Review and Send Survey to proceed to the final page of the survey setup. This is where you can review your survey settings and make final edits. First thing to do is check your start date, start time and end date are correct. Then check which email notifications are ticked. The survey email cannot be unticked because this is the email sent to employees with their survey link. Lastly, double check who you have selected to send the survey to and untick anyone you don't want to include anymore. When you're happy with your survey and the settings you've applied, hit the Schedule Survey button. This won't send the survey straight away. It will schedule the survey for your chosen date and time. Once launched, Anyone who has a login to WeThrive will be able to log in, complete the survey under the My Surveys tab, and view their individual results and recommendations. If employees do not have logins, they will simply be sent a survey link via email to complete, and that is the end of their journey.